Hello friends. We are going to learn how to permanently and completely delete all of the chat conversations that have occurred between you and a specific friend on the WhatsApp application all at once, with just a few simple steps. This method works for WhatsApp Business as well as regular WhatsApp, and it also works seamlessly on both Apple iPhone devices and Android mobile phones. We'll open the application as usual. After you've selected the right person, first, you'll simply tap on these three distinct dots. Then you will proceed to tap on the option labeled More. After that, you'll then tap on Clear Chat from this particular menu that appears. And by carefully tapping this specific option, all of your precious photos and cherished videos will be permanently deleted directly from your phone's storage, ensuring a thorough cleanup. I'll tap right here now. The entire process has been successfully and completely finished. So, my dear friends, if this is indeed your very first time watching this content, please do not ever forget to show your valuable support for me by enthusiastically hitting that subscribe button, diligently following, and genuinely liking this video. Also, you can check out this playlist which contains various WhatsApp tutorials. You'll find important guides there that you'll surely enjoy and benefit from. Goodbye, friends.